Now that we have our background color selected, let's add a frame around this image. Begin by selecting the Crop tool. Either choose it directly from the toolbar or you can press the letter C. Notice that our handles appear. And once we have those, we can simply lift those, drag them to the desired width for our frame. There's the top. Bottom. And side. And once we like our selection, you can make it as wide as you want. Click the check mark to accept the change. File. Save. Give it a name and location if you want to change it. Accept these defaults for JPEG options. Click OK. And we're ready for the next step. Keep in mind that if you want to get back to this color, it would be a good idea to record these color codes so you could get back there at any time. And that will conclude this video of how to add a color frame around your image.